We're celebrating here at Montega the Lake. We're celebrating 500 subscribers. 502 last I checked. In honor of my 500th subscriber, I made you all a gift, a small token of our appreciation. I call it Creative Canaries. Each page has its own little quote to inspire. The first one is, these things that come naturally to us, they're what we're meant to do. And they're how universal intelligence flows through us best. Birds gotta fly, fish gotta swim. One reason why birds and horses are not unhappy is because they're not trying to impress other birds and horses. Use what talents you possess. The woods would be very silent if no birds sang there except those that sang the very best. A bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking because her trust is not on the branch, but on her own wings. Always believe in yourself. A caged canary is safe, but not free. And finally, be as a bird perched on a frail branch that she feels bending beneath her. Still she sings away all the same, knowing she has wings. Thank you all so much for subscribing and tuning in and watching and commenting and helping us keep it going. You're always inspirational and ever so helpful, and this has been fun. The Creative Canaries kit is free on my Patreon page, free for everybody, not just patrons. It goes nicely with the vintage days, dates, and months that are also free on Patreon. The link is below. Just click the link and download the free printables. There's loads of free printables there for you, but the newest ones are the Creative Canaries. Enjoy, and thank you.